we're in room 410 at the Crowne Plaza. Come in, we've got... I've literally just walked into the room, so I have got no idea what all this looks like. Basic bathroom. And then come in. Should probably turn some lights on. We've got 2 double beds. We have requested a crib, but it's a pretty standard room. You've got your USB ports down there. Coffee maker. Coffee maker. Mini fridge is in there. TV. Yeah, this will do for one night. And then we have parking for the entire length of our stay, and we've got a shuttle over to the cruise terminal tomorrow, which I think is out here. I'll try that later. Come back into the bathroom because I've just been to the bathroom. I'm going to close the door. It's definitely seen better days. It's clean-ish, but you can see the mottling here, the staining. I don't know if you can see the staining. It's okay. It's, like I said, it's clean. It will do us for one night. And the fact that we have breakfast and parking and a free shuttle to the terminal, so works for me. This is the lobby. So these are the main doors here, and then you've got the front desk, elevators to the rooms. That's the elevator to the garage. Oh, that's Eli. He's very noisy. You have this little market here is 24 hours. So you can get food and drink and stuff in there 24 hours a day, and it's self-service, so you self-checkout. And the other thing I noticed were these chairs. Look at these chairs. And they've got power plugs. And then down here, I'm not going to go all the way down here because it's quite busy, but to the right there, those were the doors that we came in. You have the restaurant, which is where we'll be having breakfast tomorrow, and you have the bar. We're in the Blue Restaurant for breakfast. It's a buffet. Well, as part of the cruise package we've got, we get 2 free adults, and then ages 3 to 12 are $12. So Xander has his breakfast for $12, and then obviously Eli's only 2, so his is free. But they've got all the normal stuff. Toaster. And they've got pastries. Sorry, I don't want to film anybody. And then we have we've got black beans with chorizo, scrambled egg, vegetables and potatoes, turkey sausage and pancakes, and then bacon and sausage over there. You can make your own waffles. There's oatmeal, biscuits and gravy, and I'm guessing you've got yogurt and milk and stuff in here, and juices. Well, we are done with breakfast. It wasn't bad, wasn't the best. I wouldn't have been happy if I'd paid for it, I don't think. But there was plenty there, and it gave us something to eat, and we literally paid $12 for Xander, because he's still 12. So all in all, a good deal. Hold on, I have a child wrecking the bathroom. I'll be right back. Look at this little thug. You have to come sit next to me if you want to. Okay, there you go. Look, see? Okay. All in all though, yeah, the place is dated. It definitely needs to be renovated or refreshed. But for the price we paid, with tax, it was $341. But that included breakfast for 2 of us and parking for the entire week while we're away, and then free shuttle to the port. So just peace of mind. We've got underground parking. Yeah, definitely. So this is a good option. If we were sailing out of Los Angeles again, I think we'd come and stay here. And I think actually we'd come and stay here because we didn't get to do the USS Iowa like we wanted to, but we might do that when we get off the ship. There's a maritime museum, so there's plenty to do here as well. But I am going to end this vlog here. And so thank you, and we will see you in the next vlog.